everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on my school. My school is Delhi Public School. It is big and beautiful. The teachers are very kind and helpful. We have smart classrooms and a large playground. Our library has many interesting books. We also have art, music, and sports activities. I love participating in school competitions. The school celebrates important events with joy. Everyone here is friendly and supportive. I am proud to study at Delhi Public School. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.